what are we doing today?
Oh my god, this corn is so fucking hot, bro.
I'm waiting for it to cool down. What the fuck?
I'm hungry. So, to your right, we got the fire set up, and we just ate some good old...
I didn't eat yet, kinda.
Huh?
I didn't really eat yet.
Oh yeah, well, the meat. The steak is cooking right now.
Wow.
We just had some good chicken. Solid 8 out of 10. Pretty good. We have a little setup.
Looks
Hell
like
yeah,
we're fucking
buddy.
hobos.
Oh, God. You know what? Fuck it. Sometimes. That's how it is.
Can't even see you.
That's how it is. So we have our first tent. This is Ryan's tent that I made. And this is my tent.
I can't even hear you.
People. Oh shit. The cool kid tent. Yee.
It's a wild dog right there.
What?
Oh
That's
my
Rico,
God.
goddamn. The random is Bella. Anyways.
I barely see Rico in the camera.
I know.
Like a fucking cracked in hobo. Is the corn good, or is is it ready or no?
I think so, yeah.
You think so? What do you mean?
I mean, it's good.
Is it ready?
How am I supposed to know? I mean, I think so, yeah.
If it's not too hard or anything, fuck.
Like, it's kind of hard, but it's not too hard. That's what she said.
Haha.
Dun.
Why are you so edgy?
Oh, shit.
Another hit. It's a problem.
I'm done. No, I'm kidding.
Chugging. That was half? That was not half.
I don't know.
See, you're crying.
Oh my god.
Why are you tearing up for it?
Dude, ew.
You didn't like it? It's gross. No one likes that shit.
Alright, go your half.
No. Oh shit. Let's focus on it. Shit's nasty. Do your dab bit again.
Video to you.
Huh?
You can just put it in the thing, no?
Dab. Right now.
Damn.
That's so cringy. Why would you do that?
I don't know. That's the point.
Okay.